Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check PayPal fees. PayPal charges certain fees for the transactions such as receiving payments, currency conversions, international transfers or the business payments. Checking the fees helps you understand how much PayPal deducts from each transaction and what you actually receive. So over here, what you can do is first open any of the web browsers that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar, type down paypal.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account. And once you log into your account, you'll get into this dashboard of your PayPal. In the top, we can find to this activity section of your PayPal. Click onto this activity, and over here you'll find the all of the transaction you want to check. Click the transaction to open these details as well, and you can find the PayPal fee, net amount received, and this shows exactly how much PayPal deducted. And checking fees on PayPal is important for understanding how much you are actually paying or receiving in a transaction by visiting the activity section in a transaction, opening transaction details and reviewing the payment confirmation page, or checking this page. You can clearly see any service charges, currency conversion fees or international transfer costs. Regularly reviewing these details help you manage your PayPal transactions more effectively and avoid unexpected deduction. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.